Okay, I'm ready for another flight of the Darkmax Flight by Furibee. We're here at Altona. It's a beautiful day. Here with my buddy Vas again.
Yeah, sorry about the wind noise if it is a little windy.
Yeah, a little bit windy, but getting my flight time up and yeah, ready to attack again.
Alright, let's go. Arm that bad boy and get it in the air.
Alright.
We're on 3S only.
Yeah. Just do line of sight to begin with. Making sure I can hover well. Come forward and backwards. Okay. Give it a little punch up in the air.
Go for it.
Let's level it out, it's gone a bit windy.
Not bad for 3S.
Yeah, still going.
Oh, look. Good luck with that.
I think the drone would win.
Yeah, he's going to try and do a roll for us on camera. Hopefully he won't bugger this up. So you know the rules?
Yeah.
All right. I've taught him everything I know, which isn't much. So let's see what happens. Nice.
Oh yes.
Punching up really high, but nice. You got it.
Nice.
There you go. Nicely done. Get it out in front of you. Pitch forward. Get it out in front of you. That's it. Give yourself some safety space. There you go. Perfect.
Alright, I'm going to try and come in for a nice smooth landing for a change.
Alright, let's see how we go here.
Whoa.
Nicely done. Well done.
Yeah, it's all happening. Hey, we've got Vasco ready to fly his glider.
Excalibur.
Excalibur. Oh, nice. He's ready to go. Are you going to hand launch it?
That's the only way to do it.
Okay. Woo. That baby's gone quick. I didn't think it'd be that quick.
Coming back down, it's going to whizzle past.
It's quick, I can hardly keep up with it.
Fast, fast. Straight up. Roll and dip the nose.
Wow, nice.
Oh, mate.
Oh, nice landing. So here is what we call equipment, batteries, chargers.
That's it, you're just floating. That's it, that's it, that's it.
Quads.
Stalled.
Planes. Face
Oh,
flying.
just over there, just over there.
FPVs.
Just keep walking straight. It's right there.
We've got wings, gliders.
Oh, fuck.
There's a lot of stuff going on.
I've got fly spray for you as well.
And we've even got fly spray. This thing has been awesome, very addictive. Can't wait to try the FPV.
Close up look at that.
Oh
Look at that
yes.
bad boy. Yeah, FPV and then some 4S, eh?
Yes, then some 4S.
And then when you get used to it, 6S.
Yes. Amazingly, this takes a 6S LiPo. Can you imagine this thing go on 6S? I think it's at least going to be 120.
More, you'll do that on 4S.
Probably, yeah. So just imagine on 6S. So great, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and tap that notification button. And WigganRC signing off.